Now this illustration deals with grounding in accordance with NEC 680.6. Now notice we have an underwater luminaire there, 680.23b, and it is bonded and grounded, if it happens to be metal, with a number 8 conductor that connects to the equipment ground in the deck box below the diving board and routed back to the service equipment. Then notice the circulating pump, 680.21A1 and B, is routed back and connected to wiring methods such as rigid metal conduit, IMC, or NC or MC. Now we're talking about it could either be routed through the rigid metal conduit, IMC, or it could be MC cable, whatever's being used here. And then notice it could also be connected to non-metallic sheath cable with an equipment ground inside the facility of the building. And then notice these wiring methods are allowed in dwelling unit or building. Any of those in Chapter 3 could be used in accordance with 680.6 and 680.21a. The wiring methods that are allowed on the dwelling or building is EMT 680.6, 680.21a, or any of the procedures that you see connecting the pump. We just went over those wiring methods allowed outside. So you have wiring methods outside connected maybe to wiring methods inside the residential problem or building. So this is exactly what the illustration 16-136 is illustrating, in accordance with grounding properly, in accordance with 680.6. We're grounding items outside using items inside to complete the grounding system.